Hello children, in this video we are going to study visualizing solid shapes. Visualizing solid shape means we have to imagine or perceive those solid shapes in our minds. And the solid shapes that we have here are to be matched. Now the first one is a cylinder, second one is a sphere, third one is a cuboid, fourth one is a cube. Why? Because all the faces are square and here all faces are rectangular. So cube and cuboid, the basic difference. And the next one is a cone and the last one is a pyramid. Now these are all solid shapes. So we'll understand more about them. Now here we have two-dimensional shapes. Now we know this first one is a rectangle, second one is a circle, third one is a triangle, fourth one is a square and fifth one is a general name quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, quad as in four, lateral as in sides. So four-sided figure, any four-sided figure, it can be square, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, kite, any one. So that's a quadrilateral. Now the next one, we have to understand what's a vertex, what are edges and what are faces. So first, vertex. Vertex is the corner where many edges intersect, that is a vertex. Faces are the flat surfaces and edges are the outer skeleton, outer line that we see. Now if we see a room, now in a room what happens is the walls and the ceiling and the floor, all of these are the flat surfaces and therefore they will be called as face. And then where two faces come together and make a line-like thing, that is called as the edge, and where two or more edges come and intersect, it will be called as a vertex. Now 8 corners of the cube are its vertices. The 12 line segments that form the skeleton of the cubes are called edges. 6 flat square surfaces that are the skin of the cube are its faces. Here it is explained in this way. Now next we have to find out how many vertices, how many faces and how many edges are there for each of the solid that is given here. First one is done for us. There are 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now here we have a pyramid with a triangular base. So the number of faces are 4 and number of vertices are also 4. Now we have to find how many edges are there. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 edges. 6, the one on the outer side, the one at the back. Here one is there which is not seen, but we have to perceive it, we have to visualize it. That is what the lesson is all about. Now the next one is here, a pyramid mounted on a cube. Now in this case we have 9 faces, 16 edges and 9 vertices. Why? Because there are 9 faces. See 1, 2, 3 and the back one 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and the bottom one 9. There are 9 faces. The middle one will not be counted because that face is the face that we cannot touch. We cannot feel it. We cannot hold it in a hand. That face is not something that we could feel with the hand. That's why that face will not be counted. It will be discounted. Now next, the number of edges, count the number of lines, that's the number of edges. And lastly, the number of vertices, count the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 vertices. The last one we have a chipped cube. So here the number of faces are 7 because this again becomes a flat surface. So that will be added up in the number of faces. And then the edges are 15 and the number of vertices are 10. Alright. Now next we see the pyramid. Now this is a pyramid. When you actually open it up, it would look something like this. The sides are the triangles and there is a square base. This is called as net of the solid. Net is something that is used to make the actual solid figure. You could just paste it up, pull it up, fold it up, fold it up, fold and fold, and then you paste it and you get a pyramid. So this is called as net. Now here we have to identify which of the nets can make cube. You could actually cut out shapes like this and then imagine, then make a cube and try it out. But in this case, this one it can be used to make a cube. This structure also will help you to make a cube. Fourth one and sixth one. All these four could be utilized to make a cube. These are the nets of the cube. Now the next question, we have to match the net with appropriate shapes. Now here we have 6 face, that is cubes, and therefore 6 squares have to be there. So the first one matches with second one. Here we have a cylinder. The top and bottom are circular and the one at the side is a rectangle. So two circles and a rectangle, that is the net for a cylinder. Here there is a circle at the bottom and some part of a circle used to make a cube. So the fourth one is the net for a cone. The last one is a pyramid with a square base. So this is a answer for the net of a pyramid. So this is what is the net. So that's all for now. Have a good day.